It's your boy JC back up here in the Upper West Side, bringing you here another 2-minute unboxing video. Today I bring you the Atmos Nike Air Max 90 Reverse Duck Camo collab.
Bruh.
Camo has done several collaborations with Nikes in the past years: the Air Max 1, the Air Max 90, and the Air Max 95. The Animal Pack, the Elephant Pack, and the Safari Pack. Alright, so let's check out the shoe. If you guys remember the 2013 version of this shoe, it featured more black overlays in the toe vamp, the heel area, the midsole, and this time they decided to inverse it with more infrared overlays in the same areas. Very fire shoe. Can't go wrong with the camo that it features.
Yeah. Bounce.
Just touch down.
Bounce.
Back in South Florida, you nigga.
Off gang shit. Yeah. Just got off the plane. Went straight to the booth. I hit up the plug. I need some gas. Told him come through.
Told him pull up.
Just get out my way.
Get out my way.
While I'm making these moves. Top hat, no face. I'm a legend in the booth. Listen, you cannot get in my head. I know how my.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to wash your hands for 20 seconds or more.